Hello everyone, I am Manjiri Indurkar, a student of MArch Architecture Education from Srimati Manorama Bai Mulde College of Architecture. I have just finished my second semester. I am into academics after a long gap of 30 years. Before I began my MArch, I was a visiting faculty in the same college. At that time, the fact that I was just a graduate kept on gnawing at me, but didn't have the courage to do a post-graduation. Meanwhile, Renuka Chutke ma'am kept on pursuing me to do a post-graduation. So ultimately, with her insistent prodding and the gentle support of Dr. Lakshmi Rao ma'am and Dr. Ujjwala Chakradev ma'am, I took this bold decision of doing an MArch. But after that, not a moment have I regretted about taking this decision. It has been a fascinating journey so far. Ours is a heterogeneous group in terms of our ages and our backgrounds, and so we come with our own strengths and weaknesses. The teachers here have helped us in tapping at our strengths and overcoming our weaknesses. Thanks a lot, teachers. It's very different from what we did in BR. We take our own decisions mostly in terms of our topics and the way we present them, and then own responsibility for the same. I am sure this will help us in our career in the future. With the support of our teachers, we have not let this COVID pandemic become a hindrance in our quest for knowledge. Thanks a lot, teachers. The journey so far has been great, and I'm sure it will be similarly great from here on. Thanks again.
Hello everyone, myself Megha Vishal Chaudhary. Today I am here to share some information about the course that is Masters in Architectural Education, which is in Srimati Manorama Bai Mulde College of Architecture in Nagpur. So, like all other post-graduation course or specialization courses, this course also specialize students to learn the teaching techniques, which is very helpful to architects who wish to pursue their career as a teaching. The principal, Dr. Ujjwala Chakradev ma'am, and the coordinator, Dr. Lakshmi Rao ma'am, has designed the course in such a way that students are trained professionally and expertise to teach the students of architecture the technical as well as the theoretical subjects. The subjects of course like history of architecture, society and architecture, appreciation and criticism, then learning teaching methods, environmental issues in architecture deeply inculcates and sharpens our teaching skills to teach the theoretical subjects in architecture. Also, the design studios of this course design in such a way that the students who is pursuing this course evolve the creative techniques while teaching design studios in Bachelor of Architecture. The other subjects like research methodology and paper writing helps us to for our future studies like PhD. Thank you.
Hi, I am Akanksha Dwivedi and I am from Indore. I just completed my graduate in 2017. Since then I was practicing as a junior architect and as an assistant professor in a college in Udaipur. While I was teaching, I just thought that I am not enough educated to educate people. That is not just the criteria. This graduation is not just the criteria how you can create architects, how you can teach them. So one of my faculty when I was in bachelor's, he also did the same course. It is Masters in Architecture Education, MArch, from this college, SMMC in Nagpur. So I just get to know about this course from him, and then I contacted in the college. I had some queries about the course. I asked Renuka Chutke ma'am, and all the syllabus and the curriculum is so fantastically designed, and it is really fascinating to know that how you can create architects. It is really fascinating. So I am so much glad that I have joined this course. One should really do this course because of the amount of knowledge you are getting in this course, how you can teach architecture, because during the period of 5 years you just get to know that how you can become architect. There is no qualification in that bachelor degree program that how you can teach it. So it is really different from the thing we have did in bachelor's, and I'm really glad that I'm a part of it. I just completed my second semester, and hope the coming 2 more semesters are going to be as fantastic as these 2. Thank you so much.